Morning Yoga Flow. Start in a stand-up pose. Namaste. We're gonna practice this energetic breathing, inhaling in 4, holding in 6, exhaling in 8 seconds for 3 times. Well done. Try to contract pelvic floor, abdomen, and throat. Now inhale, exhale naturally. During the practice by your nose, start moving shoulders, upper back, hips, knees, neck. Now we're gonna start with some balance. Extend right leg and start moving ankle and left wrist in circles. Now up and down and right to the left. Slowly take your right feet, balance your hips and drop a little bit forward with your left arm extended. Come back, extend your right leg, hold, and release. Move a little bit, and then we're going to the other side. Start moving left ankle and right wrist. Change the direction, up and down, right to the left. Take your left feet, extend your right arm and drop a little bit forward. Hold the point of view on the floor to help your balance, and into the pose. Hands to your hips, extend left leg, hold, as much higher, most difficult, so well done, and to the pose. We're going to the beginning of the mat, to the sun salutation. Inhale, look up, raise your arms, exhale, fall forward. Inhale, look in front, exhale, right leg and left leg back to plank. Place your legs, chest, inhale in cobra, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Move a little bit, your legs, your hips. Breathe deeply. Now raise your right leg and jump to the front. Go with your left feet to the front. Inhale and exhale, pull forward. Open your arms, your chest. Inhale and look up. Exhaling, hands to your chest. We're going to the other side. Breathe in this pose. And now inhaling, raise your arms. Exhaling, pull forward. Inhale, look in front. Extend your column. Exhale, left leg, right leg. And stay in plank. Place your knees, your chest, your chin, all the body on the floor. Inhale and look up. Open your chest, exhaling. Go to Adho Mukha. If you need it, move your body and then adjust the pose. Shoulders back, extend the column, open your hips. Now we jump with your left leg to the front. Now right leg. Inhale, look in front. Exhale, fall forward. Open your arms and go up. Inhaling. Exhale, energy to your heart. Now we're gonna do another sun salutation with a jump. Be thankful. Inhale, raise arms. Exhale, go down. Inhale, look in front. Exhale, jump to the plank. Place your knees or go to Chaturanga. Inhale, look up in Cobra or Urdhva Mukha. Exhaling, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bend your knees and prepare to the jump. Look to your hands and jump. Inhale, open your heart. Exhale, pull forward. Inhale and exhale, roll your back to an upright pose. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, hands to your heart. Always your breathing must go to the bottom of your lungs, remember. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, look in front. Exhale, jump to plank. Go to Chaturanga and Urdhva Mukha. Exhaling, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Extend your arms, shoulders back, activate your abdomen, hold your pelvic floor, extend your column, breathe deeply. Bend your knees and prepare to jump to your hands. Well done. Inhale, exhale, fall forward. Inhale, look up in front. Exhale, roll your back to an upright pose. Inhaling, raise your arms. Exhaling, hands to your heart. Well done. Now we're gonna do the Dancer Warrior Vinyasa. Left step back, bend your right knee, hips in front, extend your arms and stay in Warrior 1. Both legs, same weight. Open your heart, open your arms in Warrior 2. Extend right knee and lean back. Now exhaling, interlock your hands and fall forward. And to the pose, open your heel, your left heel, and arms extended in lunge. Place your hands on the floor and go to Adho Mukha. Move your body, inhale and exhale deeply. Now left leg, jump in front, place your heel in 45 degrees and open your chest. Warrior 1, changing warrior 2. Now lean your body to the back, to your right leg. Bend your left knee, interlock your hands and pull forward. Adjust the balance. Now open your right heel, stay in lunge. Inhale deeply. Exhale, place your hands on the floor and go to Adho Mukha. Well done. Place your knees, your chest, your chin. Hold the body on the floor. Inhale, look to your left, look to your right. Again, left. Hold Cobra. Move a little bit to the floor and open your chest. Go in this movement. Well done. Place your tiptoes and go to Adho Mukha again. Hold this pose. Inhale and exhale deeply. Open your hips, lengthen your spine, bend your knees. Prepare to jump. To your hands, look up in Uttanasana. Exhale. Now place your hands under your soles. Bend your elbows. Crown chakra to the floor. Weight to the tiptoes. Activate your abdomen. Try to go deeply on the pose. Release your hands. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go rolling your back to an upright pose. Inhaling, raise your arms. Exhaling, hands together to your chest. Stay in the middle of the mat. We're gonna do a balance pose. Tips of the right foot outside the left. Left hand in the middle and lean your body to your left side. Come back to the middle and we're gonna change. Lean your body to the right side. And do the pose. Inhale, look up, stretch your body. Exhale, hands to your heart. We're gonna do the same. Breathe in at the beginning. Inhaling 4, holding 6, and exhaling 8 seconds. Feel the mind more calm. Feel the body open it. Open your lungs. Remember to breathe from the bottom to the top of your body. Lengthen your spine. Move a little bit. Hold on to the right side of the face. Lean your head, open your shoulders, release the upper back, and go to the other side. Activate your abdomen. Go again to the middle. Inhale, raise your arms, and exhale, hands to your chest. Smile naturally and be thankful of this practice of this day. Namaste.